Hello guys, Benjamin here. A lot of you been asking me how to do number two on the project. So I decided to make this video. So the project he's asking for at the end of the sock before it go into the depth. He won the 92.4 kilopascals and the Mach number is equal to 3.14. So you can design however you like, but I use all the values based on homework number 6. From homework number 6, we have 2 external shock waves and 3 internal shock waves. So I'm gonna draw out the first portion of the jet. So this is the first portion of the jet. So it's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna go on like this, and then like this. So this is the model that from homework number 6. So basically, the flow is gonna go horizontally like this. But at the end, it's gonna hit the wall, so it can happen. So what happened is it had to have a shock right here, so that it's gonna make a turn parallel to the wall. So we have a delta 1 is the first turn, and we have ambient Mach and P ambient. So when we go here, it's gonna hit the wall again, so it can happen. So it has another shock right here, so that the flow is gonna go like this, and then it's turned according to the wall. So we have delta 2, and then when it's go down here, it's gonna hit the wall. So it's like you have to have another shock to make a horizontal flow. So another shock's gonna go like this. So it's gonna go down, but then it's gonna turn horizontally, but then it's gonna hit the wall again. So let's put this as delta 3, and then so when it hits, because it's gonna hit the wall again, so it's gonna be like this. It's not really beautiful. So it's gonna go like this, but then it's gonna go like that, and then so we have another turn. It's gonna be delta 4. So and then when it's go down here, it's gonna hit the wall, so it has to turn somehow. So it's gonna go. We're gonna have another shock right here, so it's gonna turn. So it's gonna be like this, and then it turns horizontally. So we have delta 5. So the goal is let's label this point number 5, and then this number 4, and then this number 3, number 2, and then this number 1. So the goal is we want P5 equal to 92.4. 92.4 kilopascal. And then M5 is going to be equal to 3.14. That's the goal. So what we do is we guess the turning angle. Now let's look at the angle. So this is from 1. 1 we have delta 1, and then we have delta 2, and then from 3 we go back to horizontal. So we actually have this delta 1 plus delta 2 equal to delta 3. And then delta 4 is going to have the same, it's actually parallel to this 2. So it's made up the same angle as 3. And then 5 is going to go horizontal again. So it's going to be parallel to delta 3. So it's going to be equal to delta 4. So we have to guess the first delta. I use the number from the homework, so you can look it up from the homeworks. And then so it's given M, right? And then we have to go each time. It's gonna go to 2, and then we have to go to 3, 0 to 4, and 5. So at first we have to get the first delta, and then once we get the delta, we can use the program that he gave us, or the table from the book, the shock wave table, and from that we got P2 over P1. Well, this case not. This case will be P1 over P ambience, and then this is optional. You don't have to, but it's good to have this because at the end of the day you will need this for number 3 and 4, I think. And then we have M1. So you use this M1 values, and then you put in there, and then you want to guess another M2, and then so you have another ratio, which will be P2 over P1, T2 over T1, and then you're gonna have M2, and then so you have M2, use that, and then so you have you need M delta 3 here, delta 4, it's gonna be delta 5, and then this, as you know, above delta 5 equal to delta 4 equal to delta 3 equal to delta 1 plus delta 2. So from that you have another ratio. So you have this, and then this. Just look up the table or the software, and so that yeah, and oh, I missed M4, sorry, somehow. No, I actually messed up right here. So it's gonna go, yeah. So we have M4s and then M5, so we have delta 5 here. So we're gonna have a P5 over P4. So from all this we have M3s, M4s, M5. So we have all the value we need here. So from this information you can get a P for each, from like, for example, the first one. From this you can get P1, and then from this you can get P2, from P1 and the ratio, and then P3, P4, and then P5, and then so this is optional. You can get T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, because at the end of the day you're gonna need this for number 3s and number 4, I think. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Let me know if I make a mistakes somewhere. Thank you very much.